channel. I have something new here, the Instapot. I used to have, as you guys know, the Power Pressure Pro XL, but it gave up the ghost about 2 weeks ago. Just went on like burn mode and just burned everything on the bottom. I still recommend that one also just because it, like I said, gave us 7 good years, but something just went awry, so I decided to get this. Latest and greatest. I've heard a lot about Instapot, so I thought I'd give it a try. Pressure cooker, slow cooker. You can do eggs, you can do cake, which I've never done a cake before. So there's a lot, you can do sous vide. What else can you do? Lily's behind the camera. What else did I say? Sous vide. There's just all sorts of stuff to do with it. Canning, yeah, cakes. So, haven't opened it yet. Instructions, which I will need. Oh man, a nice colorful ring. Last time we had a white one. Now we have a red one. Ooh, red one. Looks smaller though than my other ring. Maybe it is, we'll see. Also, another thing I like about this pot that I read is when you take it off, like I used to have to always find a place to put the lid, which is really heavy. This one has like a notch you can stick the lid in on the pot, on the cooker. So that'll be nice, because you don't have to find a place to put it. Oh boy. You have to give this thing a name. Hold the phone. I'm going to have to turn this phone to get it out. It's just about as heavy as the other one used to have. Pretty, shiny. It's like a piece of cooking jewelry. Heavy piece of jewelry. So there it is. So pretty. All right. So let's see. It's got the protector thing fell off. All right, so here looks like the pressure release. And the other one that I used to have, which it's in the garbage now, you'd have to grab something and flick it open like that, and you'd have to like grab something to do it, which was kind of a pain. This one has a little notch right here that can do just flip back and forth. And I believe this thing pops up when it's pressurized. So that'll be nice. Twist. Oh, it's an extra ring. Because there's a ring in there. There's already a ring in there. So Christmas ring, regular ring. That'll be my Christmas ring. All right. This lid is not as heavy. Oh, here I guess. Ooh. Other one didn't do that. Also, another thing that's cool about this is it has handles to pull the pot out. Which the other one I had to get like a pot holder and get it out that way, which is kind of a pain. Also, all these also, this one, when you stir things in it, it doesn't spin. With the other one I had, you'd stir stuff and it would spin. So that was kind of annoying. Nice shiny pot, stainless steel pot. This looks like, this looks cool to me. Has a little moisture catcher back here. Which is good to have. Alrighty then. So, it also has this. This would be nice. Alright, we're going to plug this in and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. I thought this one had the handles, but it's the Evo Pro that has the handles. So I'm going to be ordering one of those also because I want to have 2 pressure cookers anyhow. I have an extra one that's a smaller one, but it just, I lost this part of it. I just don't feel like, I can't find it anywhere. It's like an older Power XL, and I just can't find the little nozzle. So these are reasonably priced. I think this one and the Evo Pro, they're both like $119. Amazon has them. I went to the Instapot website. A lot of them are out of the Evo, the Pro one. But then I went to their website, clicked the link, and it took me to Amazon, and then there was another person on Amazon who was selling them. So I ordered another one. I always like that too, because like if you want to do macaroni and cheese in one, and then you're doing your meat in the other one, or you want to do whatever your meal is and some cake, or whatever it is, the second one. So it's always good to have the second one. But the other one has the handle attached to this, and everything on the front is just different, which I'll do an unboxing when I get that. I think I'm supposed to get it the 28th, it said. When's the 28th? Lily behind the camera, when's the 28th?
In 8 days, it's the 20th.
Okay, so next week we'll do one, unbox that, and then we'll cook something. Probably do soup in this one. Anyhow, all the things that I was saying you could do. So it has rice, beans and grain, porridge and oatmeal. Oh, that's new. Sterilized yogurt. I probably won't be doing that. Sous vide, which is cool. Saute. On the other one, I used to just put it on meat and heat it up for saute, but this has actually a saute setting. Slow cooker, which is really cool. You can do both. Eggs, which I'm assuming is hard-boiled eggs. Cakes. My other one did not have cakes. That we're going to have to definitely try. Try to do maybe like a soda cake or something like that. Soup and broth. And then, of course, you just, I guess, choose pressure cooker if that's what you're going to do. Time, temperature, delay start, which that's kind of nice. So you can just pick what time you want it to actually start. Keep warm after it's done. So we're probably going to do soup in this first. But this is the Instant Duo Plus. And then its sister one is the Evo Pro. Both are on the same price. This is the 8 quart. There's a 6 quart also. And this is, like I said, this is an extra ring. So yeah, I'm excited to try it out. Wasn't planning on having 2, but then I forgot my other one's not working, so they're reasonably priced, so to get another one, it's not that big a deal. I got this on Amazon. Get pretty much everything on Amazon just because the free shipping with the Amazon Prime. It's just great. I mean, you don't have to pay for shipping for anything, so that's awesome. And I'm sure you can get extra these inserts also, which is keep them clean. I'm probably gonna do a water test first, which this is probably gonna say to do a water test, a pressure test first. So yeah, so we'll come back next time and we'll probably be cooking either a cake or some soup, one or the other. Anyhow, like and subscribe. See you later.